Now first we will clean or degrease the surface with the help of alcohol wipes. Once this is done, we will use a a dry wipe to clean the surface off. Now the first and foremost part is spraying the surface with the help of soap solution. Spray the some soap solution also on your fingers so that while you are peeling the protector, it becomes easier. Peel this layer off. This is the first layer. It is just a protective layer. Now peel this layer along with this particular sticker. Since my hands are wet, the peeling off has become easier. So once you have this peeled off, spray soap solution generously on this. Now here is the alignment part. This line and this line should match with the tolerance of say 1 or 2 mm. And this should center with your seat. This is pretty much how it will look. Spray some soap solution on top of this so that it becomes easy for the squeegee to slide. Always remember, squeeze from top to bottom. Take help of gravity. If any part is a little bothersome, you can anytime peel it and try it again. With a dry wipe again, clean this particular area to see if there is any visible bubble. You can press any visible bubble with this wipe itself. Nice and clean.